Hello there. Today, let's talk about a complex, highly organized structure made up of unique cells that work together for sustaining life. Let's talk about the human body, the part in Yoruba language. I'll start from the head and then mention every organ on it. Let's go. Ori, head, irun, hair, forehead, ọpọ́n orí, brows, ìpéǹpéjú, eyes, ojú, lashes, irun ojú, nose, imú, and this hollow part is called ìgìmú, cheek, ẹ̀kẹ́, ears, etí, mouth, ẹnu, the lips, ètè, teeth, eyín, gum, èrìgì, tongue, ahọ́n, chin, àgbọ̀n, throat, ọ̀fun. I'll stop right there and then we'll pick it again in the next class. My name is Faderera. I'm a Yoruba woman, a great lover of the Yoruba language. If you like this video, like, comment, and share. Till I see you again next time. Ó dàbọ̀. Bye-bye.